How to create amazing morph transition. Insert rectangle rounded shape. Drag the shape. Insert round shape and drag it. Double-click on round shape to text. Adjust the size. Select all shape, then copy and paste for duplicate shape. Change round shape position. Make duplicate like that. Add text. And repeat the process for each shape. Select shape on right side together and make a group. Select shape on left side together and make a group. Select all shape and make copy. Paste here. Adjust like this. Select the slide and add morph transition. Now here the result.
Subscribe for more prompts and tricks.